Okay, so here we are at the baby shower. We're gonna come in. There's presents. We're gonna take a picture of everything. This is the baby jelly bean guessing game. And we have fruit. And up here we have a baby. Hello, baby. We have the diaper cake. We can cut them, Sarah. And over here we have the cake.
Yes?
You
got lemon curd, right?
Yeah.
Thanks, Ben. Quick question. Ben, grab a peanut butter ball. Right now, Ben.
This is the father-to-be. Gotta get a shot of everybody. Say hi.
Hi. You always have to do what I mean.
Back here we have Joyce and Sunny. And we have Linda. And here's Sarah. Sarah's going to turn around and say hi. And Katie's. Can you turn around and say hi?
Say hi.
Say hi to the camera.
Say hi.
Bertie, that's Blair, and Chris, and my mom, and Aaron, and Kara, and Katie, and Sarah.
And here's Blair. Hi.
Ryan.
And you get to,
I will remember them
and
all.
somehow I had him around here. Say hi.
Oh boy.
Oh, and this is the mother-to-be, of course. Yes, here we go. And there's the
They gave her a
baby.
video camera.
Say hi, baby.
Yeah,
Thank you.